Hello, I am Professor Dr. Mahipal Sachdev, Chairman and Medical Director, Center for Sight Group of Eye Hospitals. All of you must have heard about LASIK eye surgery for the removal of glasses. Today, I will be discussing about a new technology that is called as Wavelight Plus or InnoVise for specs removal. In case you are considering getting rid of glasses, you should know what this new technology offers. Wavelight Plus InnoVise surgery represents a breakthrough in refractive surgery which combines artificial intelligence, an eye avatar being created of your eyes based on a 3D ray tracing technology, and an ultra precise laser system to deliver a truly customized visual experience. Unlike earlier procedures that primarily focused on the shape of the cornea and on your power, the InnoVise system analyzes the entire optical system of the eye from the front surface of the cornea to the retina to ensure a highly refined and personalized correction. If you go to buy a shirt, would you want to buy a ready-made shirt of say size 40, or would you want to have a tailor-made and a customized shirt for you which looks at all your parameters, whether it be the length of your arm, whether it be how your shoulders are, whether how broad your chest is, etc. So would you want a customized shirt be made which would fit you more properly than a ready-made shirt? This is exactly what Wavelight Plus InnoVise does. It is the most highly customized procedure that is available today for LASIK laser surgery. The result of InnoVise is not just clearer vision, but sharper, more natural and higher quality beyond 6/6 vision, even in challenging situations like night driving or low light. In simple terms, InnoVise is designed to help you see better than ever before, not just without glasses, but with enhanced visual quality. Now let us try to understand as to what are the visual disturbances that a person has. A person may be suffering from what is called as myopia. Myopia means nearsightedness. That means that the light which is passing through your cornea comes in focus before the retina, and therefore in myopia you need minus power glasses or minus contact lenses to diverge these rays so that they come to a focus onto the retina. The second type of refractive error could be hyperopia or farsightedness. In this, a person has difficulty in near vision. Light focuses behind the retina and near objects appear blurry. So what you need to correct this is plus power glasses or contact lenses. The third type of refractive error that a person can have is called as astigmatism. In this, the cornea, instead of being round and circular, is irregularly shaped, or one axis of the cornea is different from the other axis. Therefore, light focuses unevenly, causes distortion. So in this particular case, you will require a person to wear cylindrical glasses or toric contact lenses. Now there is another form of refractive error which is often not known to a common person or is often neglected, and that is called as higher order aberrations. What we talked about earlier were not higher order aberrations, but higher order aberrations are imperfections in the eye which do not affect the distance vision to that extent, but they cause subtle imperfections in the eye that affect night vision, that cause glare, halos or starburst, and they reduce the contrast sensitivity, especially in dim light conditions. Now what happens is that when you are talking about traditional LASIK, this misses out the higher order aberrations and it only treats the plus power or the minus power or the cylindrical power. But when we are looking at taking LASIK surgery to the next level, and that is where we have the InnoEyes, which comes specifically to correct this. What makes InnoEyes different? The WaveLight Plus InnoEyes stands apart because number one, it uses a machine called as a sitemap. This sitemap uses 3D ray tracing instead of a basic mapping of your eye. Several thousands of points, maybe in lakhs, they scan your eye and create a digital eye twin or a 3D avatar replica of your eye. Then it uses AI algorithms for treatment planning. This is transferred onto the laser machine, and this delivers a fully personalized laser vision correction to your eye, which also takes care of the higher order aberrations. What does this mean? Like I gave you an example of a shirt which is tailor-made, this will ensure that no two treatments are going to be the same. That means under normal LASIK, if two people have say a power of -3, their treatment profile is going to be the same because the higher order aberrations have not been mapped, a 3D avatar has not been created, and this data has not gone into the laser system to make it a personalized correction. So WaveLight Plus InnoEyes surgery therefore makes this personalized treatment possible, a fully personalized laser eye treatment that is designed to correct not just your refractive errors but also your higher order aberrations. The present range of this treatment is for myopia, which is up to -8 diopters, and a cylindrical power up to -6 diopters. So let us understand as to what does this InnoEyes system stand for. The first step that we have in this system is that we have a technology today, though attempts have been made for the last several years to get an ideal 3D ray tracing map of the entire eye. We have now today made it possible through the sitemap to have a fantastic 3D ray tracing avatar of your individual eye. Use artificial intelligence on these 1 lakh plus data points that we have collected and analyze the best treatment profile for your individual eye. Then you have the data going on to a laser which has a high speed of 500 Hz. In addition to that, what you have to understand is that this laser is tracking your eye at the same speed of 500 Hz. That means any milli or micro movements of your eye are also tracked, and the laser which locks onto your eye fires exactly where it is supposed to fire. This therefore takes away the refractive error and the higher order aberrations that your eye was suffering from and give you vision which could be better than 6/6. Published data in scientific journals on this InnoEyes has shown that 98% plus end up with 6/6 or perfect vision. But what is the greatest outcome is that 82% of the patients get 6/5 vision, which is better than normals. And again, an amazing 45% of the patients end up with 6/4, or if you may want to call it an eagle eye vision. In addition, a superlative 6/3 vision has been reported in 8% of the patients. But mind you, these visual outcomes will vary based on your eye condition. It is not that every patient is going to end up in the 6/4, 6/3, 6/5 bracket, but the possibility of getting vision better than normal, vision better than what you have seen ever before in your life is existing with this new InnoEyes system. This is the latest technology which has come after a lot of refinements, which is available. However, let us tell you once again that you need to be a suitable candidate for LASIK. The pre-screening that is done for your suitability for getting a LASIK procedure is the same for InnoEyes as it is for any other LASIK procedure. The outcomes and the success of InnoEyes surgery is because of this latest 3D avatar technology and artificial intelligence that has come to actually map the imperfections of your eye and treat it accordingly to get you the best quality vision even in dim light conditions that you can get post LASIK surgery. This technology has been approved by FDA USA. Various studies have been done across the world and the results have been replicable across various countries and various races. This technology is now available, as we can proudly claim, in Center for Sight Group of Eye Hospitals, and we can assure you that you will be given the utmost care for getting the best visual outcomes that are possible following LASIK surgery. Thank you.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.